Well. Look at you. How did you bypass the anti-cheat? You're not on the tablets. You're not even sending chunk packets. The owner thinks he patched the NBT overflow last week. He patched a door. He didn't build the house, kid. I built the house. Who are you? I'm the guy who put the backdoor in the plugin before the server went live in 2020. You're playing in my sandbox. Want me to show you how deep the packet stream actually goes, or are you gonna keep pretending a double chest of shulkers makes you a king? You see, the worst part of discovering a backdoor is we are the last people who actually managed to find it. Fortunately, you will invent an exploit powerful enough to control this entire server. You'll be the king of the exploiters. Nah, pass. Excuse me? True exploiters don't pass on absolute control. What do you think you are? A different kind of exploiter, I guess. Let's see how long that lasts. I'm gonna put you to the bunker later. Okay. It's gonna dupe more items, I guess.